All right, someone gave us this trampoline, so we're gonna go ahead and put it together.
Yeah.
I don't know what brand this is. Can, that's the brand. It's much bigger than the one we had. Always gotta test it out before the kids do. Yeah, Papa got it.
Where is it gonna go? Here, let me try.
You both can get on it. Whoa!
Whoa,
You gotta hold on right here. Let Lexi get on. So hold it.
What is this for? What is this for?
That's how you wear out the kids. Hey guys, we got a Mickey Mouse easel thing that was also given to us, so I'm gonna put that together for the kids. Pretty cool little easel. It's a little whiteboard. You could use it as an easel. It comes with these little storage bins. Hold all your art supplies or whatever. There you have it. Alright guys, my old flagpole was breaking and it kept falling down. It's just a Harbor Freight one, so I went and got this 16-foot flagpole on Amazon. It's supposed to be pretty good quality, so we're gonna put this one up instead and see if we can't use this same pole without having to concrete more stuff into the ground or take this out. Let's go ahead and do it. done. We're gonna do something else. There you have it. Let's get this thing cleaned up now. All the tools put away. Flagpole looks great.